Tell me about this application where you can do actually AI. So we're looking at the slide under the microscope, right? Here is the slide. Then we have the camera sitting right here. And then we have the image on the computer, right? What can we do with it?
So one of the things we can do is take an unscanned slide and actually do AI from it. We've got a relationship with MindPeak.
And you guys have it right now on the
So right
screen,
in the
right?
software, our AI analysis tool, select that. We've got a drop-down menu here of 4 different tools right now. So I'll just select the KI67 and select a region. Come over here and select a region in that field of view and hit start.
Okay,
And
we're
that captures
counting.
that
1,
information,
2,
sends it,
3.
done.
Not even 3 seconds, and we have dots counting Chi67, and here a report. This is so cool. It gives the power back to static images and to your microscope, because it used to be, oh, if you don't do whole slide imaging, then you cannot benefit from all the downstream AI and things like that. Well, there is going to be a lot of pathologists who will still work with glass, but they now have access to real life AI tools, different tools, and Smarty Media partners with different AI companies. And they can basically do it while reading glass, which is super cool.